Once you reach that 500 subscribers and 3,000 watch hour threshold, you will be invited into the YouTube partnership program, which hello guys, what's up and welcome to my channel once again. In this video, I will be telling you what it means to be monetized under 500 subscribers and 3,000 watch hours here on YouTube. Once you reach that 500 subscribers and 3,000 watch hour threshold, you will be invited into the YouTube partnership program, which is the YPP. And after you have feed all the process and finish all the process, you'll be welcome and you see something on your dashboard showing you are now a YouTube partner. Features like YouTube membership, in which you put specific fees for people to join your membership, and you can give them exclusive offers, exclusive videos that they will enjoy for specific amounts. You add specific amounts to your membership, people will pay and join your membership. You generate money from that. You'll be giving features again like super thanks. People can give you super thanks for a nice video, and also super chat for a nice video. All this will be generated and converted to money, which will be paid to you by YouTube. And also they will open shopping for you. You link your shopping, your business to YouTube, and people will buy your products. Also, you can make money from that too. But the main source of income here on YouTube will not be open for you. That is your ad revenue. So you have to work really hard to to your 1,000 subscribers and your 4,000 watch hours, so that ads can start running in your videos, so that your ad revenue will be released to you.